Hey everyone, Chris Pistorius here with another dental growth hack. Quick, practical tips to help you grow your practice without all the fluff. One of the biggest reasons patients hesitate on major treatments like veneers, implants, or full arch cases is simple. They can't actually picture the result. Fear and uncertainty kick in, and instead of saying yes, they leave the office with, I'll think about it. Here's the hack: stop telling patients what their new smile will look like and start showing them. Use smile preview tools, digital smile design software, simple mock up apps, or even in chair trial smiles to let patients actually see themselves with their new smile before they commit. Imagine sitting across from a patient showing them their own face on an iPad with a perfect natural smile. That hesitation melts away, and suddenly they're asking, when can we start? Case acceptance rates go through the roof when patients can visualize the outcome. Instead of losing high value cases to doubt, you're closing them with confidence. This one hack can mean thousands more per case and tens of thousands in new production every year. So don't just tell patients about a better smile, show them. A 30-second preview could be the easiest growth hack you've implemented this year. For more ideas like this, please go to our website, kickstartdental.com, and schedule a free discovery session with me where we can talk more about the specifics for your practice.